Morning. Question. Yes, sir. All right, guys, settle down. Huh? You ready? All right, guys. All right, guys. Settle down. All right, we're gonna start now. Shenton, Sebastian, Shreya. We're gonna have to separate all here, right? As of next class, but they're distracting each other, and them two are separating them. Cassidy, you're supposed to be on your computer. Your computer ready? Sure. All right, so guys, pleasant good morning. How is everybody today? Everybody is good? Everybody recover from writing all that code for the tic-tac-toe? Everybody recover? Yeah. That's wonderful. Right? You all went home and played with family and friends? All right. You have a sister? Oh. All right. So you all played with your family and friends, right? And you all appreciating the hard work that goes into it, right? Today, all right, you're all gonna be learning web development. We're gonna be starting from what is the internet? Web development. Right? How to build websites. Right? Which is a very lucrative industry in Trinidad and Tobago. Right? You can build websites, especially if you have the skills to build enterprise websites. Right? That is a very lucrative career. Right? It's a very big thing, guys, right? Websites are very important for all businesses in the digital age. Okay? Most of, if you all even become engineers, right? A lot of the stuff that you're going to be designing, most likely you're going to have to develop a web interface, right? So there's going to be some machine somewhere far down in deep south, right? And there's going to be a website that you all can access everything on that machine, right? You're going to have to know how to design that from scratch. It'll take a lot of hard work, all right? It's going to be a lot of typing. It's going to be a lot of things to figure out, right? So you all have to make sure that you develop the appetite to work hard. All right? I'm not going to tell you all that everything is going to be all easy and hunky-dory, okay? It's hard work. All right? So I have here on the screen a personality quiz. And you can see the people who, right, work on this together. Take a look at it. What's the number set here? 1,001. Can you imagine 1,001 programmers have to put together? To solve a problem. There's some problems which are bigger than one person, right? And you're going to be a part of a team. For instance, Christian said, Google. Google has a team of maybe close to 500 software engineers and programmers. 500. For one project. For one project. One project. So if they have 1,000 projects, to multiply that by 1,000, right? They employ a lot of people, and they employ a lot of students from the University of Cities. All right? They employ a lot of Caribbean people. Okay, guys? They are going to be looking for opportunities there. Google pay their employees very, very well. Okay? So you are learning firsthand. Right? Why you need all this? Is if you master all this, Google is looking for you. Alright? So you're going to be an excellent contributor to their team. Not to hack them. To be a part of them and continue to make the world a better place. Right? So we have a personality quiz here on the board. Guys, on the right hand side is the code for that quiz. No. Right. So on the left hand side is the code for it, right? That's right. That's what you're all training to do now. To know how to develop things like this. Remember, you wrote the code to develop other things before. Right? It's the same knowledge you're building on to be able to achieve something like this, right? So we're going to take this personality quiz together. Knowing that somebody did the hard work of coding the entire thing. Alright, so I'm just gonna scroll on this side, guys, and you all can take a look at how much code is necessary. Look at that. Look at how much code is necessary, right? How long will it take? How long will it take you all to write this? Look at that, look at that. Guys, and we're nowhere close to stopping it. Right? Because this cursor is right here, and it's this thing. I have to go all the way up to the button. Right? You all see what's going on? Right? So you can imagine why people have to collaborate. Alright? Yeah, they have artificial intelligence which is able to solve it. I tell you what to do. Right, so you're gonna learn about that, right? So let's take a look at it. So I'm scrolling through the code. Guys, you all seeing this? Look at all that. Huh? It's a lot of work, eh? A lot of work to be able to achieve what is on the right hand side there, right? And look, I still didn't even reach halfway because the bar is down here. About here is halfway, right? I still didn't reach halfway as yet, right? So that's just so that you guys can appreciate the work that goes into it. No, I didn't. People on top there, right? Okay, don't pong him. All right, so it's a personality quiz, right? And we're gonna start, guys. And we're gonna choose together. All right, everybody can read what it says there. Which is your favorite of these colors? Blue, red, red. I hear two red. I hear two reds. Blue. I hear one blue. Three blues. Sebastian. All right. So I hear three blues. So we go to blue. All right. Next thing says, where would you rather go on a vacation? Hawaii. I hear one Hawaii. I hear one beach. I hear three Hawaii. So I'm gonna put Hawaii, right? What would you like to do in your free time? What two reads? One hang with friends. One sports, two sports. It's divided. Sebastian. Sport. Okay, so sports it is. Right? Now here what the next question says. I want to zoom into it. It says it's 1 a.m. in the morning and you are awakened by a sound of a lockpick at your door. Somebody trying to break the lock, right? What do you do? Right. We have to choose an option. No, we have to choose one of the options. So guys, open was a dream. Okay, I hear one open was a dream. Two open was a dream. Okay, two shotguns. Sebastian. All right, so calmly grab the shotgun is what we're going to choose, right? Next question says, right, there is a wallet lying on the ground that has a $100 bill, right, poking out of it. Right, nobody's around. What do you do? All right, so let's look at the options. All right, I hear three, bring it to the police. One trash, four. All right, so bring it to the police wins, right? Next, there's a dinosaur charging at you, right? What do you do? Dinosaur running you down. What are you gonna do? Huh? Okay, what they're extinct. I hear one what they're extinct. All right, I hear two get indoors and three get indoors and shoot it. Huh? Get into unusual, but only one. All right, so three in favor of get inside a steel box and hide. Get indoors and shoot it. Okay. All right, take a look at this one. I'm zooming in. You are a rainbow of personality. You are a mix of all colors, right? You like sports, reading, hanging out with friends, and random stuff, right? Let's see if I can zoom into it a little bit more. Right? So you see how much work that goes into achieving something like this. That's what you're seeing it on this side. That's what the code is, right? All right? This is important. I want you all to understand that sometimes there's jobs, right? And there's tasks which is bigger than one person. And you're gonna have to work together. You're gonna have to, what's the word? Collaboration, right? You're gonna have to collaborate. You're gonna have to work as a team. Right? Yeah, okay, very good. Just like YouTubers, right? All right. So I hope you all have learned that invaluable lesson. Right? And we're gonna be moving on, right? To Web development. So who knows what the internet is? Anyone? See if you can clean the. Right. So anyone taking know what the internet is? Right? Show of hands, you can know what the internet is. Right, everybody seems to know what the internet is. I'm going to listen from, I'm going to hear each of you all give an answer. Chris? Right, basically you can search for information and what Chris just said. It's a virtual reality. Okay, appreciate you pressing the answer. It's an online website. Yeah, basically you get all information. You have no idea? Don't think about your hands or something. Alright, let's see. If you could search on what this is, one person can have a similar answer, right? And Christian said, I have a totally different answer from everybody else, which I like, right? And your answer is not very simple, right? Sebastian, what's your answer again? All information, right? So, yeah, that was searching the web for information, right? So, essentially, we can get a common theme from all the answers you all provide. Right? It's a place we have information and it's access it. We access the information, right? Right, guys? So, I'm here to tell you all the harsh reality of the internet. Sounds like social media is a very fast way to disseminate the wrong information, spread propaganda. Right? So it sounds like talking about social media. Right? Actually, right, guys? So okay, let's hear what the internet is. It's just a right. Let's hear what the internet is. Everybody must know what the internet is after this. Right? It is the largest network of computers. It's the largest network of computers in such a way computers are connected so that they can share resources and information. Okay? Right? Now, what you are talking about when you are saying the get information, such thing. We're talking about the World Wide Web, right? So out of the internet, which is the largest network of computers, right, spawned the World Wide Web, right? So this is like a public part of the internet where if you have the right tools, you can access the information there and you can search anything you want, okay? All right, guys? What is the internet? Network of computers. Very good. Right? What is the World Wide Web? Right? So the World Wide Web, right, is the part of the internet which is available to the public. Everybody can go and take a look at the information. If you have the right resources, correct, you have to be traditional laptop or desktop, right? You can access it on your phone. Access it on your tablet, right? Okay, guys? Network of computers, right? They are connected in such a way that they can share resources and information, right? And they can communicate with each other almost instantaneously. Right? That's why you can be here and you can send an email and somebody across the world get an email, right? Just as how you can be here and you call somebody on the phone multiply the label. Alright, so what is the World Wide Web? What is the World Wide Web? The internet is the largest network of computers. The World Wide Web is the publicly accessible part of the internet. And if you have the right tools, you can access the information here. That's where you go to your searching and so on, right, to get the information, right? Right, there is another one we talked about before. So, everybody, one more time. What is the World Wide Web? Public part of the internet. Right? Yeah. So you can access information there, right? What you can have access to, right? Now, there's such a thing as the dark web. Dark web. Who ever know that? It's called dark because that part of the internet is not made visible to the public. Alright, so guys, the history of the internet, it was not made for the enemy, it wasn't made for everybody. Right? The military created the internet, right, as a way, right, for them to be able to work more efficient, right, for them to be able to communicate over long distances. That's how the guys reason why they created the internet, right? And then after all, as the internet continues to grow, right, then they have different parts of the internet, right? I want to teach you, yeah, I want to teach you all the different parts of the internet, right? So there's a space on the internet which is reserved for commerce, right? Commerce, right? And that is .com. Right? So any website you want to see with .com is short for commerce, means electronic commerce. Anybody with a .com site, .com means they're buying or selling something or providing a service. Okay? No, you don't. That is the one way. So there's a place on the internet which is .com, right? There's a next place on the internet, .org, which is short for organization. They are non-profit people. They're not selling anything. They're asking for donations and whatever, right? So when you see .org, right? A website with .org at the end, right? You know that website is doing what? Right? Possibly asking for donations, right? They are an organization, they are most likely non-profit, right? Okay? Now there's a next one which is .net. Networking, right? Network part of it, right? Right? There's many more important ones, right? Let's check this out. .tt, .jm, Jamaica, all right? .gov, government, right? You all see that? Oh, check this one. .co. Very close. What about CA? Alright, I was going to say Canada, right? You bet on Canada, right? Alright, so listen guys, this is possibly the most important part of the internet to me. And it's .edu. Education. That is the part of the internet reserved for education. Alright? Right? Yeah? You got CO here? No, this is corporation, yeah. That the .com is commerce, right? So guys, just by looking at right, No, .html is an extension for the file to be computed. That's not a website. Right? We're talking about websites, right? Anybody? Right, what about this one? .tv. Well, see that? Very good, right? Now, Facebook is what? What is it? www.facebook.com, which means that they're selling what? They're selling something, right? I pay a lot of money to Facebook, right? I pay a lot of money to Facebook because they are in the business of buying and selling a service. And I will explain to you guys what Facebook is selling to me. Just now, right? So Facebook goes like this: www.facebook, right guys? .com, right? That's Facebook, right? That's it. What does it www mean? World Wide Web. You see that? That's why you are doing the World Wide Web. That is the part of the internet which is publicly accessible to all, right? So Facebook was www.facebook.com. What about Google? What's Google? Right, www.google.com. www.google.com. Right? So you're going to try this now on your computer. Go to Facebook. I type in www.facebook.com. Quick. Everybody do that. On your computer. Right? You click in this bar, which is called URL. Right? And you type in www.facebook.com. Everybody's going to do that. I don't. You don't do that. What person is that? Press finish.
That's not the maxing you thought about.
Let's finish. It's the game, Trey.
Press and finish. That's too long again.
Alright, everybody get the Facebook? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, right? It goes like this. www.facebook.com. That's it. Right? And then if you can tell you about the Facebook, guys. Right? Now, I'm going to explain something to you all. Look at what happens, right? When we type www.facebook.com, you're going to see something come up before the www. This part of it.
HTTPS.
Right. That is called the protocol. Protocol. I'm going to explain what the protocol is. That is the means by which the information is being sent across the internet and arriving at station is being sent across the internet. Right? It's called hypertext transfer protocol. So write it in. Hypertext transfer protocol, right? Okay? And it's short HTTP with an S. The S means secure. Secure. There's a secure version of it because the hackers found a way to hack it. So they make a secure version of it, right? HTTPS with a colon, and then you have these 2 slashes, then the www.facebook.com. Right, guys? Let's see it? Yeah? Yeah? Let's. Yeah, that's the correct thing, right? Alright, guys, so you all getting to appreciate what this is, right? And what the dot part means, right? So watch this next thing now, which is very, very important. Right? When we go to Google, let's go to Google. www.google.com, right? Everybody go to Google. You're going to see the protocol come up and You have Google? When did you have Google?
Somebody had Google before me.
Oh, you want to know somebody ever hacked Google?
Yeah, before me.
I would like to think so.
Listen,
guys, all these important companies and contributors in the world, they do not wait to get hacked. So you know what? Hey, share why you standing? Alright, so guys, you all went to Google and you all see the protocol come up for itself. Then you all see www.google.com that you type, and then there's a forward slash here, right? So after the .com, there's gonna come some slashes like this. Okay? So I'm gonna explain all that to you. Cool? Alright, remember? I'm gonna explain all that to you. So check it out. This part that I'm gonna highlight here is called a protocol. Right? This whole thing now is called the domain name. Most important if you are gonna be website developers and make sense for you. Right? That's called a domain name. You see that? The domain name has different parts of it, right? The domain name have the www. To mean World Wide Web, right? It have the name of the organization and it have the part of the internet to which it is operating. So this is the part of the internet for us. This is the name of the organization and this is www, which is World Wide Web. And we have the protocol. These three things combined gives the domain name. Guys, those three things combined gives the domain name. Right, guys? So, if you all go ahead and build a company, what would you all want to call the company?
I would want to call it.
Any suggestions? What do you want to call the company? Friends. Right, friends. Right, you can call it friends?
I will call it.
What?
I will call it coffee.
No excuse? Rubik's Cube. Oh, that's a nice thing. Alright, so you all invent a programming company, right? All you in that company, right? And it's called Rubik's Cube. Alright, okay, so Sebastian, what's that? Right? Everybody else? In Rubik's Cube. Right? Nice name of the company, right? So you all create a company, right? And the company is called Rubik's.
The company is about selling this.
Cube.
That's how it's done.
Is that about what? X, yeah? Alright, so you have to call it whatever you want to call it, right?
Company will sell these.
You want to sell those?
Yeah, that's what they'll sell.
Okay, alright. So Rubik's Cube. So if you are selling the actual thing, right? What part of the internet is that?
We actually
You are selling something, right? So what part of the internet is it? Dot? You are selling. You are selling something. That is what? .com, right? Right? Very good, guys. Right? And then it's gonna be what? The public part of the internet, right? It's gonna be www. Right? And what's gonna be the protocol the browser is gonna use? The protocol is gonna be what? HTTPS with 2 forward slash, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
What would it we could some virtual Rubik's Cube, and if they want us to solve it for them, they could like make some Rubik's Cube, and if they want us to solve it for them, they pay some coins to get rid of money at that time.
Alright, so that's a very good idea, right? So see when you guys get older, if you we have to purchase the domain name from these tech giants, right? And yes, and there's a few of them that sells domain name. I'm gonna give you a few, right? Amazon, they sell domain names. Google, right? Google is a big one. GoDaddy. Yes, GoDaddy. Get this one. Get this one. HostGator. GoDaddy, Google, right? Amazon, right? Yeah, they sell domain names. Who? Your towel? Tablet. Oh, well, we're not talking about the tablets, right? We're talking about domain names, right? So I'm going to show you what I mean, right? If you all type here, buy domain name, right? You're going to see a variety of options come up, right? How to purchase a domain name, right? And if somebody here have us 10 best sites to buy a domain, 10 best websites you could use, all right? So let's see what the 10 best sites are. Number one is what? GoDaddy. Okay. Number 2 is Bluehost. You're seeing that? Number 3 is what? Hosting up. Squarespace, right? That's a big one. HostGator, right, guys? You're seeing it? HostGator, right? Now remember, what is the name of the company that you all incorporated? Rubik's Cube. So you all have to go to these people and try to buy Rubik's Cube. I'm going to show you. Right? So let's go to GoDaddy, right? You're going to click visit GoDaddy. Right? We click visit GoDaddy, right? And we're going to tell them what we want the name to be. What we want, the name of the company is Rubik's Cube, right? So we're going to try to buy, right? They say type the domain you want. What we need it to be? Rubik's with an X, right? Rubik's Cube. And we click search, right? Let's see what's going on. You're going to tell us, look at that. Rubik's Cube.com. Right? Now, you can buy Rubik's Cube.com. Right? $69.99. That's US. You are following? Now, when you purchase the domain name, right? The domain name sits. The information for the domain name sits. You then have to create the website. Yeah? Right? Now, don't get nothing yet. So the first step is purchase a domain name, right? So we get the domain name Rubik's Cube, right, guys? Remember, there's many options from which we can purchase this domain name. We don't have to buy from GoDaddy. If we could go to other people and see if they offer a cheaper price, you can go to other people. Yeah, no, well, this is a broker service, right? So, meaning the person who has the domain is going to sell it, and right, this person is going to get it first. It's called a broker. So somebody has it, right? A broker. He's a broker. He's the middleman to get the job done so that we can purchase it, right? So he's going to do it. This is a broker service. If we add, we'll take it to Rubik's.com because somebody has it, but they're going to sell it to us. That is our next big thing, guys. Let me tell you something. If you purchase a domain name like Facebook, how popular is Facebook? Everybody knows Facebook. If we want Facebook.com, if you try to purchase Facebook.com, how much more do you think that will be for? That's going to be a crazy amount of money, right? You could be selling that for $1 billion, right? But luckily, Rubik's Cube not that expensive for us, right? We pay them, then they go to work, then they buy Rubik's Cube from whoever has it. But we find it expensive, but there's alternatives. Look at that. CubeRubix.com. Look how cheap it is. $2.99. There's alternatives, guys. RubixCube.com is taken, but there's alternatives. Cube Rubix, so we can have 50 words, right? Make it cheaper for us. Right? You see that? see it? These are suggestions. And look how cheap it's gonna be. $2.99. Right, you see how cheap that's gonna be to purchase? Right, but what we want is normally taken, and because of that, you know, you're gonna have to pay a broker fee. Right? To purchase it from the person who's currently owning it. Alright, watch this now, guys. So we purchase our domain name, right? We purchase our domain name. You know what's next? Make the website. Make the website. Right? Once we have our domain name, we have to make the website. Now, guys, the traditional way to make the website is coding it yourself. If you all did that already. Now, there's what we call content management systems, where you could download something and you don't write no code. It does the coding for you. You just say, I need this to go here, I need that to go here. It does the rest. There's plenty of content management systems, right? And I'm not going to show you guys how to use content management system because it's too easy. I'm going to show you guys how to code the website for yourself. I'm going to give you all the traditional skills, right? So let's look at the content management systems. I used this particular one to develop something for a freight forwarding company in Trinidad. That was in 2013. It's called Drupal. Let's take a look at Drupal. That's the symbol for it here, right? The Drupal is an open source content management system. You know what I'm saying? That CMS is short for content management, right? There's a next one, which I really would recommend that you guys take a look at. It's called Jomal. Jomal. Right. CMS, right? I think I typed something wrong. Jomal. J-O-O-M-L-A. Content management system. You see it? Yeah. When you download that, right, you can set this up. Right? When you download it, you can set it up, right, on your server. Right. When you download it, you can set it up on your server. Okay? And you can build your website using that content management system, right? Now, if we go back to Google, let's go back to Google here. Right? And we're going to search content management CMS.
If I didn't know, I think I was
Content manage. Right, look at it. Right, so we need examples. Let them give us some examples, right? Right, we're going to see a host of them. It says the best of 2022 website platforms. So let's see what this source have to tell us about the best content management system. Jimbo, look at that. Web.com, go down here. Squarespace, right? Squarespace is really, really good. Plenty of those YouTubers. Let me tell you what the content management system does. If you don't know programming, it does the programming.
Okay, right.
That's what it does. Okay?
Alright,
Now, it is really good because some of them allows you to design web apps. Web apps that is integrated to do a specific task. Right? So you want to check out all these, alright? And just be aware about them, right? So these are the top guys. Right? Drupal is not here. This is not on the top list, right? But it's something I'm familiar with. Okay? Drupal 4, right? So, get this now. We purchased the domain, right? What we need next? Right? We need to what? Build the website. You all hear me?
Yeah.
We need next to build the website. Right? There are services that allow us to build websites for free. Guys, don't forget this part. There are services that allow us to build websites. You want that one?
Yeah,
It depends on what you want to do. You want to buy and sell something? You want to sell something? You want to sell parts? You want to sell car? What do you want to sell? Well, if you want to sell something, the one that offers free website and a free website development tool is ECWID. That's it. ECWID. This one here. Right? So you can quickly set up your website and make the sales up. With that, alright? So ECWID is one of those three things. It's not the only one. Right, guys? So you all should make a note of this thing, right? ECWID.com. Right? So I'm going to write, you see how we have domain name providers here? Right? Right. What we're going to do, we're going to put, right? We're going to put the content management systems to design website, right? So the first step is to purchase domain name. Right, guys? So we own the domain name. Next step is to build the website, right? So, guys, you don't understand what the internet is, what the World Wide Web is, the different parts of the internet, right? We break down the whole thing, right? You all know if you're going to start a company, Robotics is in your money company, you have to go to the services that sell domain names. We buy the domain name from them. When you buy the domain name, you get some credentials. It's like passwords and open right? Okay? It's not exactly passwords. This is like DNS address. When you buy the domain name, you get some credentials to use that code so that you can use the domain name. Okay? So, guys, let me tell you now. You are listening? Guys? So we have the domain name, now we have to build the website. But here it is. Here it is. We need a server. We need a server. Now, here is part. You want to set up a server from your laptop? No. Yeah. No, or you have options. You can set up the server from your computer, or you can purchase a server. It's expensive. It's called a virtual server. It's expensive to do. Alright? If you're purchasing a server, it's expensive to do so. Now, people like GoDaddy give you the whole package. You get the domain name, right? And you get a space to serve your files. Okay? Chris, what is it about this? Huh? Type it in. Alright, so question says we bought the domain name. What we have to do? Build the website. And then the problem is even after we build the website, what else we need? We need a server. We need a server. Alright, so guys, here it is. The server, watch this. The server is literally, guys, the server is literally memory. Right? It's memory that is available on a computer, right? That has been added to the World Wide Web. Meaning, using your computer, your browser like this, you can type the name of the company, right? And when you do that, when you type this domain name, right guys, you're listening? When we type this domain name, it accesses this location in memory and it pulls up the website. So all this information you see on the screen is on our computer somewhere on the internet. And this information about here is exactly what we need to put in the URL for the browser to pull this information from that server. Right? So after we build the website, we need a server. So it's the 3 steps. First step, purchase domain name. Second step, build the website. Third step, need a server, right? Once you have all those things, then your website is online. Alright? So let's get to the fun part. The fun part, as I consider it to be, okay, is developing the website. Right? The coding part. Okay, so I want to show you guys our website. And this is what students have to do for their SBAs when they reach Form 5 doing CXC. And you're going to be able to code this when you're done. Right? You're going to be able to code this website for yourself. Any questions? Everybody understand? When you build a website, what's the first step? Very good. Purchase domain name. What's the second step? Build the website. What's the third step? Get a server. That's it, guys. Right? So you all just now could go and make some money building websites, right? All right. Yes, please. That's what you said, Uncle? Oh, how to have Google? Hey, you're using my computer. Yeah, they will say I paid mad. I want to know how to hack them and things. Yeah, they will come for me. They will think I use it that computer, and it's you using it, and I go get in trouble. Well, you're putting me in real trouble, real trouble. What's going on with Ollie? Sebastian, you're going crazy. All right, guys, I'm going to show you. I have multiple examples. I'm going to show you all this first one. That one missing some stuff. Let's see if I can get it. All right, so sharp. All right, guys. So this one missing like so that's supposed to be on the internet. All right, so I'm getting our next one for you all to see. All right, guys, look at this. This is a website that a student had to build for their SBA. All right, this is student had to build this website for their SBA. Right, so I'm gonna. What just happened? I begging you to you're moving, you're sliding the chair so. You plug out that. Yeah, guys, don't pay much and then it's trapped to that, so don't look out to make the letter. Okay?
I want to be out there like care about money. I don't know if they want to get and take care of people.
Well, they need money to buy the dog.
I don't want to
Alright, guys, so what's going on? Oh gosh, hey, again. Guys, I will grab your kick out the thing so we don't have to wait for the summer. That was flashing like it. Alright, so guys, settle down right because we'll be wasting each other's time, okay? Alright, so this is our website that a student had to code for their SBA. Right? So it says, welcome to the Housing Community Development Project of the Government of Trinidad and Tobago. This is the housing construction company, right? And it have a history about the company, right? And they are selling some housing communities. The first one is called Clarendon Court, right? And if you click Clarendon Court, you can read about it, right? It's a housing project, right? And it's telling you where it's located, and you can, right, award-winning design and all kind of thing, right? And then there's a next one, which is called the Sangre Grande Villas. You all like this house? You all will buy this house? You all like this one? Clarendon Courts. You can purchase a unit here, right? Sebastian, you purchase a unit here. You want one that have a pool? Let's see. This one, I think this one is the better one. Providence Gardens. It's a big 3-story house. Everybody can, right? So Providence, guys. Providence Gardens. All right. And now look what it says here. Please contact us at any time convenient to you. We patiently await your call. When you click this, right, then it's gonna open mail. It's gonna open mail so you can email the people one time. All right. So you gotta make your website interactive. That's just one example. I'm gonna show you guys even the next one, right? Let's see if I can find the next one for you. Yeah. All right. So this one is really. This one is really intuitive, right? Because this has to do with the elections. Let's see. Look at this one. This one looks nice, eh? Look at this one, guys. All right, so it says, welcome to Trinidad Jam's Elections Commissions of Trinidad and Tobago, right? So that's the name of the Elections Commission. And you can see, look at the address in Port of Spain. They have one in Kirep, right? They have one in Petit Valley, in Diego Martin, right? They have one in Boco, Tobago. The head office is Union Road. This road here, look. This road here, guys, look at it. Union Road, all right? The head office, okay? And it says about us, right? So they talk about the history of the electoral commissions, guys, right? And you can see it says, please contact us at any time convenient. You can click here, right? And we'll be able to email the people one time, all right? And you can see the elections results for 2019, right? The different constituencies, the total votes, right? Yes, like those are the parties, right? And you can see like a whole table here with everything there. And you can click here to see the database. If you click here, we're gonna download the database, guys. You can see the database is downloading there, right? But we don't want to save that. And we can take a look at that after. And look at this, there's news and so on. Right? There's news, look at this. Drug bust, whatever is going on there. This is the latest news from Yahoo, right? Now, here we can navigate. If you click here, we go to About Us. Click here, we go to General Results. You can click here to download, right? And we can click here to get to the news, right? So this is the news. So this is a sort of an interactive website. You all seeing it? Huh? You all seeing it, guys? All right, so this is the part of it that is not so nice. Websites require graphic. Websites require graphic, right? So to build a website, you're gonna have to work with people to design the graphics for you if you can't design the graphics yourself. And I personally would recommend, right, you get somebody who is gifted with graphics, okay? So you could focus on the coding part. Yeah, you can't be a coder doing profound things and at the same time you have to be developing graphics. You're stretching yourself too much, right? You could do graphics? Well, even all the better for you, right? Because to do your website, you're gonna need to do some graphic as well, right? So guys, I'm gonna show you all the code for this, right? Let's see if we can take a look at the code. Who wants to see the code? All right. All right, guys, look at the code here. There's the code here, right? Check it out. Ain't you all know this? Doc type, title tag, head, styles. What do you mean? The code? If you have the website, you have the code. Yeah. No, you could kind of you could copy the code and make a virtual replica of Google site if you want. Huh? Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you all to see the code of any website. So if you go to our website, for instance, Facebook, right? And you want to see the code, you press F12. Huh? No, well, you're gonna see the developer tool open up. And then, right? You want to go to sources, right? And you will see the code. This is the code here, right here. All here is the code. All right? So it shows you the cloud, right? And the index. So if you open index, right? What do you all have there? Right now, I don't like particularly how Microsoft does it, right? But you all gonna be working in, what you all working with? Chrome. You all have Chrome?
Yeah.
You all working in Chrome, right?
Right now.
Chrome is open on your thing. So I'm gonna send the Chrome across, and you all see how Chrome does it, right? So I open it with Chrome just now, and I'm going to Google. When I get to Google, yeah, press F12, and you're gonna get the console. Yeah, because sometimes you press to get to F12. Yeah, they use the function. You don't have it? Right. So you're gonna be using Microsoft, all right? All right, guys. So if you all click F12, right, you're gonna get the console, right? And the console is gonna say Dev Tools, and I'm moving it across on the screen so you all can see it. Take a look. If you go to sources, look at it. This is the sources here on this side. So this is the index. That is all the code there. You see the code? This is Google, eh? And if we, yeah, all of this is Google. So you can see where it finishes. As the code there. No, I didn't happen to Google. Everybody have access to this information. Right? Alright? Alright, so impressive F12, this one. Right, it's gonna come up and then go to sources. Now you see index here.
Sir, you're in big trouble now.
Try and get that going, right? Anybody else? Where's it again? Where's it again?
Yes.
Alright guys, so you want to see it? Once you go to our website, you have access to. Oh wow. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice, right? So guys, get it, baby? Yeah, you press F12, right? So to get F12, you have to press this blue button where you can see the F12 is blue, and then it's gonna come up here. See it? To get access to the blue button on the top, you have to click this blue, you have to press and hold this blue button. Press this, right? Alright, so everybody have an idea of what is going on, right? Everybody have an idea of what is going on, right? So Cassie, what are you doing here? We're still in the middle of class. Sebastian? Alright, so guys, now we're gonna actually do some coding to see if you guys can replicate this space up. You have to learn how to code your website, okay? Alright, so guys, we're gonna close all these things. We don't need them. Just give me a second, let me close. Right, this is the one we need, right? But we already have it here. Right here. Right, and we're gonna code this thing for ourselves, right? Alright guys. Settle down a bit. Because we're gonna be doing this thing which is really, really important, right? You all ready? So go on your desktop. Right click your desktop and then go to new, and then you want to go to text file. Right click your desktop and then go to new text file. Right? When you do that, text file, text document. Right. When you do that, guys, right. That text document now, you want to open it. Right? That's what it's gonna look like. Then you're gonna rename it. Right? My website. Huh? Right click, and change rename my website. And remember, guys, we're going to change the extension from text to HTML. HTML. You all seeing that? My website.html. And you want to click yes to change the extension. Right click, new text document. When you do that, this is going to pop up on the screen. And you want to click on it and you want to type my website, my_website.html. Everybody could do that? Alright, you have the website open. That's one. Guys, so you know what we have to do, right? It's blank. If we open it, what's gonna happen? Just double click on it or go to open it and choose your browser. It's blank. There's nothing there. Because we ain't coded it yet, right? So let me show you guys how we're gonna code it now. Right click on it and go to open with notepad. Right click, go to open with notepad. You all did that? Right, when you open with notepad, right, the empty notepad is gonna come up. Right, and then we could begin to code this thing, right? Guys?
Yes.
I don't even know what's going on. Alright guys, so you're gonna see this, right? That's what you're gonna see. So we're gonna begin coding the website. What's the first step? Stop doing it. Stop doing the girl that. We're gonna begin coding the website. Yes, Sebastian. Right, and then no, you have to change the extension. Right, click on it. Go to rename. Right, click on it. Go to rename, and you want to change the .txt file to the .txt at the end to HTML. Right, you want to change the .txt at the end to HTML. Alright, I commented. I failed to work on the side. We don't want to disturb that thing. Right. So everybody, right where we need to be, right? Okay, everybody is right where we need to be. So the first thing we have to do is to put the doc type. You all remember this? So the exclamation mark goes first, right? Doc type, right? And we want the doc type to be HTML. Right? That's it. First thing is the document type HTML, right? So guys, you all remember the structure is title. Remember, anytime we open a tag, we must close the tag, right? Like that. What's the title gonna be? Right? That is gonna be Trini, right? Trini bar jams, right? That's gonna be the title. All right. So, huh? Yeah. It's the point of it, so you know what code is doing what. All right. So. You all know that the next thing we have to do is to put HTML. HTML, right? And then anytime we open a tag, we want to close that tag immediately, right? HTML, right? So inside here now, we have HTML, is where all the stuff gonna go. So we want to put this at the end of here, right? And inside here is where we want to type certain things, right? So the head is the first tag. Head. And we want to close the head, right, guys? What's going to be in head? Right, so whoever is still at the HTML, right, we need head. Right, guys?
I finished right head.
Very good. Everybody catch up? Finish. Oh. All right, Chris is finished. Anybody else? What's going on there? Oh Lord. All right, so guys, you all get to head? Head. H-E-A-D. And it's finished right here. All right, so guys, remember after head is what? Body, right? The body of the code. Yeah, that's where it needs to be at the end. So after head is body, right? You remember that? All right, so we're gonna put body, right? You're supposed to remember how to code this, right? So head, body, okay? And guys, you all know. Inside the body is where we're gonna put all these other important stuff. All right? So inside the body, so we're gonna put all the important stuff, right, guys? Right. So inside the body here, so we're gonna put all the important bits and pieces, right? So these two here are supposed to be right beside each other like that. So we could put stuff in the head because we had the head there. We could put stuff in the head, but the body is the important aspect, right? So let's see what's the important stuff inside the body that we're gonna put in, right? When we look at the website, all right, we saw some very important things in the body, right? All right. So if we do it, let's see if I can pull back up the website for you. Where is it? Yeah, this is it, right? Right. This one is a little bit more advanced than this one, but this one is easy, right? This one is easy, right? Yeah, well, right. So this one is very simple, right? We just have a few stuff going on, right? And we can type it out. Guys? What's going on with you guys? All right, so let's take a look at the code for the next one, right? So guys, this is the code. Yeah. All right, so this is the code for the easier one, right? Let's take a look at it. It's kind of small though, guys. So I'm gonna try to make it big, right? So take a look at it. So we have HTML, right? We have head. There's nothing in head, right? So head was open and closed. You see that? Then inside the body we have H1s, right? And so on. We have some background stuff. And all this we can write. But we're gonna do our own website. Right? So you're gonna do all your own website. You're gonna put your own little flavor on it as you see best, right? So but remember, you all call the company what? Rubik's Cube? Well, right, we're gonna do Rubik's Cube, right? You all ready? Alright, so when we actually bar jams, we're gonna put Rubik's Cube. Right, because that's what you all call the website. Right, we're not gonna put anything inside there as yet. So here, we're gonna have to set up an H1. Right, remember anytime we open a tag, we have to close the tag, right? And inside here, we're gonna put information about the company, right? So what must we say about Rubik's Cube? We're gonna say welcome to the Rubik's Cube. Right, we're gonna write welcome to the Rubik's Cube Corporation, right? All right, welcome to the Rubik's Cube Corporation. Okay, if we save it and we go back to the website and we reload it, we're gonna see that there. Welcome to the Rubik's Cube Corporation. All right, you see it?
Welcome to the
code. Okay, guys. No. Corporation is spelled like this. Corporation. Very good. Right. Welcome to the Rubik's Cube Corporation. Now remember, we need to have caps or our thing, right? Cooperation. Right? So that's what we're gonna have here, right? Now, guys, What else we need? We need an image to represent our Rubik's Cube Corporation, right? Yes, we could have, but better, we could get a picture of a Rubik's Cube on Google. So we're gonna go to Google, check this out, guys, and we're gonna get Rubik's Cube, a picture of a Rubik's Cube, right? Right, guys, you all seeing that? Guys, we get a picture of Rubik's Cube, right? So we go to images. You all checking this out? Because you're gonna have to do this, right? Right? And we can take this picture if you want. Right, so what we want to do is to save image as, everybody has to do this on your computer. Save image as, and we want to call it Rubik's Cube. Yeah? Right, we want to save it to the desktop, don't forget. Guys, you have to save it to the desktop, don't forget, right? So now we download Rubik's Cube, right? Now we can add that to our code. So let's add that image to our code, right? You all ready, guys? All right, so let's remember what we did, right? We went to Google and we just typed Rubik's Cube. Right, and then we go to images and we selected this one here. You can do any one you want. So right click on it. When you click on the one you want, right click on it and then go to save image as or save as. Yeah. I save as Rubik's Cube. Right, this is the logo for your company, Rubik's Cube company, right? That you guys are a part of, right? Yeah. You can save it. Right? If you're not seeing PNG there, you say JPG. Right, so that one is a JPG one, right? Guys, pay attention to what the extension is, right? So mine was Rubik's Cube.png. Yours might be different. So let's add that to our code. Rubik's Cube. All right, guys, so we're gonna add this image quickly, right? So to add the image, we have to use the image tag. So we open image tag img. You see it? Yeah, I put corporation. All right, so remember we have welcome to the Rubik's Cube Corporation, right? So we have to put the image, we have to use the image tag, right? And inside the image tag, we have to set the source. So we put a space and we write SRC, and we have these open quotations like that. So the source is equal to whatever is inside of these open quotations. You all seeing it? What's the name of it? Rubik's Cube. That's how we saved it, right? Rubik's Cube .png, and the extension is PNG. Rubik's Cube .png. That's it. All right. What the extension goes here, guys? Whatever the extension is. So, guys, you all can check it out, right? Yep. Save what? We did that several times, right? So you have to right click on it. We save it as, and it's saved as. That's it.
one. This one. This one. Look, you really want it. What are you doing? You're shaking up the table. Good. And the giant. Obviously, we will be the part.
Right? Image tab. Get it, guys. IMG. Right, and we put Rubik's Cube .png. Right? That's the name of it. So you all can consult the name of it by going to your desktop, and you'll see exactly what it saved it as. Rubik's Cube .png. Right? Now, guys, if we save that and we reload our page, we're gonna close this, right? Because we got that already. Look at that. We see the Rubik's Cube. You see it? Alright. I'm going back to the code. I'm going back to the code so you all can pay attention. So remember, after we time we're going to use operations, open the image tab. Open an image tab, and then the source of the image tab is in the file or the next. Alright, I'm coming around to check who can go.
Wait, what? Oh, there's a sign. That's right.
Close the body. Close the body. Close the body.
Yes.
That's it. That's it. It's in downloads. That's where you make the mistake. Then put it on desktop. Make sure it's on desktop, guys. It's too big. It was really big. Guys, if your picture too big, it's gonna look off. So you're gonna have to set it appropriately.
Yeah.
Huh?
Change the picture.
No, you're changing the picture. What kind of picture? I'll show you how to do that. Notice this one says JPG, right? That's it. Let's take a look at the code. But yours is JPG. Alright guys, you're seeing that? Everybody on their website. Right? Now for those who choose a picture that's too big, right? There's so many different ways to fix that. Alright? This is it.
Come back to that. Come back to that.
So second. So anytime you don't follow the instructions, you see when it's plenty problems. You guys don't forget. Follow the instructions, otherwise you're running into plenty problems, right? Yeah. So that picture really, for those who need pictures, we choose a very big picture. Yeah, everybody code on the screen. I'm going back the code, right? Because some people didn't even type the code. Some people didn't even type the code, so take a look at it and see what it is.
I tried the same code and
Let's see how it goes. Body now. Body. Body.
Now do this thing. Feel like
Alright. Question here. Alright, so everyone has a different flavor, right? There's so much different pictures on the internet. Variety is good. Variety is good, right? Everybody can find something they like. Okay? Everybody have a place of belonging. Alright, so I assume everybody find the picture that they want. Well, we can't wait for you all to make up your mind, you know. It's like you all getting water and you all take it at 30 minutes to choose a water bottle. The water, just choose one, right? Alright? Otherwise you won't get away. Right? We're stuck on choosing water, that can be good. Guys, so we're going back to the code and we want to at least do a few more things, right, before we finish today. Right? Tomorrow, you all need to do some JS and making the website interactive and all that. Yeah, after tomorrow is the last week, which is something totally different from web development and app development, okay? And that is artificial intelligence and robotics. All right, so you're supposed to have this, and it's supposed to be working, right? So now we're gonna do something else, right? What we want to do, we want to put everything in the center of the screen. So to put everything in the center of the screen, guys, you ready? We click just before the welcome, and we're using the center tag. Center tag. And then at the end of the image tag, you put in the end of the center tag. Okay? That's it. And that's going to guarantee that everything is in the center of the screen. Okay? So if you zoom out like this, you're going to see it in the center. You see it? So that's the point. It's fixed in the center of the screen. Right? Right? For those of you who have the touch screen, you could just pinch and zoom. Right? So Chris and Cassidy have it. What's going on here? Alright, so today press control and the plus sign. Hold the control and the plus sign. Keep pressing. Press again, press. That's it. Now you want to get into the center of the screen, right? Sebastian?
I was typing during you was talking. I was typing.
SRC, not E. Image missing. I think they didn't say image yet. This one's one of this one. I don't like it. I don't like it. Right? This one is JPG, right? Yeah. What she did, right? That makes sense. Q, C is look. C is a. You know, C is C up, okay? And instead of P is JPG. Right? Let's read that website. Choose some kind of reason. You ready to solve some of the picture problem? Go to the picture file on your desktop. Right? When you right click on it, you go to edit. You see the edit button. And when you click the edit button, it's gonna come up in paint. Okay? It's gonna come up in paint like that. Everybody see it? Right? Now, if it's too small, then this is a bigger picture. If it's too big, you have to resize it. Okay? Yeah, that's great. That's great, actually. What the picture? Right, click on it and go to edit, and it's gonna come up like that to the screen. It'll come up like this. You right click on the picture. Let me show you all what I mean. Check it out. When you right click on it, you go to edit, and it's gonna open up in paint. Like that.
I have resize. The fresh resize.
Yes, you can resize it, right?
And I changed mine too. I changed it up.
Nice. That's cool.
Okay, I get confused now. I'll show you something.
What are you showing me?
Okay, so come in on.
Everybody who getting picture problem, right, is what we were just addressing. Now, we could actually set a lot of things, right? The height and the width. So everybody check this out. Height equal, right, 400. Now let's do 100 pixels. So the height is 100 pixels. Width equals, are we doing 100 pixels there? Now see, height and width. I got that. So you could set it to be small. You could deliberately set it to be smaller. Guys, for everybody with the problem, with the picture is picture too big, do this for me. The right height, 100 px. Width, 100 px. and you get it small.
Could you make it bigger, sir?
Yes, it could.
How do you do that?
Like here, you're right, like one.
Okay. Image. What's this?
That's a short for pixels. more thing. Yeah.
Something went wrong.
What went wrong?
What are you doing?
Continue. Continue. Continue.
All right, guys. So that's it. We're gonna community after today's section. Everybody, you guys have a pat on the shoulder. Right? Try, guys. Right, Crystal, change that image. Right, give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Right here. Right.
Because when other friends come in, I let them get I'm talking like I was quiet. So not that one. Oh yeah, well I'm not right now because the mom coming in. So let's get
You just said you got it?
Yeah.
Very good. All right, guys. So you all go ahead. You all get some snacks.
I think everyone.
Have a fresh time, right?
Everyone go ahead.
Enjoy the rest of the day. Please be safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
It's slowly taken.